Well, there's the LEDs from the factory, and here's the LEDs from the Boost Auto. Boy, that's gonna be crazy looking, isn't it? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today we are going to be checking out the Boost Auto Parts S-Series cab lighting on our 2021 L5P Duramax. We have actually had these for about ever, I mean, to be honest, but 2 weeks after Ovi got the truck, he ordered these, so they've been sitting in the shop in the backgrounds of videos, and we've been trying to get around to it. Well, today I finally had time, and I'm really excited to show you guys just a couple other things going on outside of the normal realm of the channel here. Blessed, if you will. Just some very humbling moments this week, and life-touching, changing, just really makes you appreciate stuff in a whole nother light. So our good buddy Mitch brought the Lambo down for a Make-A-Wish event. This young kid, his dream was to drive a Lamborghini, have a Lamborghini someday. He's fighting cystic fibrosis, a very serious diagnosis. So to see his face light up when Mitch gave him the keys, and just the general excitement with everybody around was so life-changing, absolutely incredible. And then the very next day, we took our son up to a football camp with Caleb Johnson, the Iowa Hawkeyes running back, now a Pittsburgh Steeler. Got to go up there and watch him put a camp on for the kids. So amazing. Actually, one of the coaches had to leave, and they came to the crowd and said, do any of the parents want to step in to help coach? So I raised my hand. I said, put me in. So then I got to run a drill station right next to Caleb, which was so freaking cool. Just to be able to see somebody in the NFL, you know, giving time back to the community and the kids. It's awesome when they do stuff like this. So that was super incredible. What a fun freaking experience. I've just been living on cloud nine. HSP for all the engine parts. We had Diesel Proof share another post on the gram. Just getting the excitement going for all the stuff we have, and I just see God's work being done here, and it's so amazing. You guys already know Boost Auto is an industry leader when it comes to tow mirrors, running boards, lights, all kinds of cool stuff. So today we are going to be doing the cab lights. These things look absolutely incredible. Just punch in your year, make, model of vehicle and the different lighting options you have. You can do just the light up LEDs like we did, but you can also integrate switchbacks, turn signals, all kinds of fun stuff. These guys are a huge supporter of the channel. This is not a sponsored video, but they are a sponsor, so kind of in a weird deal. You guys can see here, got the Boost Auto running boards on my LML. They look absolutely incredible. Switchback, turn signals, all that. We just love these guys so much, so we definitely stand by their products 100%. This isn't some gimmick. So we're going to take you through and show you kind of what the install looks like. Let me get in the shop here. Basically, I just want to say that this is not a step-by-step how-to video. I watched the one that Boost Auto supplied, and it was so in-depth with super good narration, animations. It was just incredible. So I'm like, there is no way I'm going to do a step-by-step how-to and try to top that. So this will be more like my genuine experience with putting them in. I'm not a mechanic. Ovi is. If you guys stick around with the channel, you know that. I had to go through and fix some HSP stuff this morning, so you'll see that. I'm learning as I go. Bear with me, guys, but we can dive into this, and just thank you guys for all the support. Here we go. All right, so before we do anything else, like I said, I do want to adjust the air intake because this clamp right here actually is not even holding on. This has slipped all the way off. I think it's just too far down in general because the sensor is hitting right up against the cover here on the lid. And that filter clamp down inside there is actually supposed to be on the outside here. I talked to HSP about that because I seen it in their picture, and they said you will notice a bunch of rattling. Even though it does look cleaner, they recommend that clamp be on the outside, and plus that needs to be pushed up. So we're going to do that first before we get to the cab lights. But man, if you guys hadn't seen it already, the HSP stuff, killer job. going to do better there. You can see the clamps now on the outside, which is nice because it gives the sensor a lot more room too. Readjusted the clamps there so that the tube's all the way on. So now we can get onto the cab lights, and I dropped one of the push nuts down into here, so I had to take this all the way off and dump it out, of course, but that's how it goes. Now we can close this hood up, and now we can get on to those babies right there. All right, so we've done all the shopping we need, so we can come over to the cart here, and we got the S-Series cab lights from Boost Auto right here. Gonna look absolutely incredible here on the L5P. So we're gonna go ahead, let me get over to some good lighting here so we can show you guys exactly what these things look like. Never mind, we still got some of the HSP stuff over here and some water, because gosh, it's hot out. But let's go ahead and open these up. You guys can see. Look at how crazy they look. Oh, them are going to be hot. Look, they even got the Boost Auto logo on there. Man, them are going to look incredible. There we go. Do not over tighten. Yeah, we won't, boy. Look at that. New clips. What else is in there? Nothing else. So hopefully plug and play. That'd be epic. Let's go ahead and get this over here and try to swap these babies out. Let me get through here, open up the door here. What's really nice, since this is a project vehicle we've been working on for a long time, let me get my light here. This actually goes on the camera. But up here, you guys can see once you get your headliner removed, it should just be a bolt and a wire harness to unclip each one. The center one has 3, and the passengers and driver's side has 1. And then you can push the wire harness through. This will stay connected through here. We'll pop them out the top and pop the new ones in. Should be pretty simple. Like I said, it's nice that our headliner is already out. But Boost Auto does have a killer video. That's why I'm not trying to recreate what they already got. On the lift here for a little update. So we have the factory ones now removed, and boy, I don't know, I'm really hoping the factory didn't do this, but they absolutely glued the crap out of this with silicone. I know these things are prone to leaking, but they shouldn't from the factory. So these are either aftermarket already, or somebody was like, I'm just gonna put a ton of goop on it. So that took forever. Then I had to go through and take all the excess off. And yeah, that was just a bear. We have shreds of that everywhere. We'll get that swept up. But now we should be able to drop in our Boost Auto ones into the same factory holes, assuming the factory made these. Plug the clips in, and we'll go. Yeah, I'm definitely out of breath. That was a lot of work, but we got it cleaned up, and this is gonna look really, really nice. All right, so let's get this down. The old one, look at all that silicone on there. And then we'll see, it should look pretty similar. Well, there's the LEDs from the factory, and here's the LEDs from the Boost Auto. Boy, that's gonna be crazy looking, isn't it? It'll look so much better, super sick. There's the factory side one, and if I can peel this plastic just a little bit, you can see the difference in the design and how much more sleek these are gonna look. I'm gonna be super pumped. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys back on time lapse. I'm getting low on time, low on breath, and we're just gonna keep going. Tightened down. These brackets only go one way, so it's kind of notched out for the wire harness. I then went ahead and plugged them in, did the secondary lock, and I just tightened them down with the drill. Make sure you hand start your hardware so you don't strip anything out. And then I just got it snugged, and then I'll tighten it down by hand. I didn't want to strip them out by any means, but you can see I think the bracket's designed actually to suck the lights down in there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 wire harness plugs, and there we go. Should look something like that. So this one's got to go down in a little bit more, so we'll snug them down. But I just want to see if they're going to work. Boy, they look incredible even when they're not lit up, but you know. All right, let's see. How do we do this? I'd assume on. Oh, shoot, they on, boy. Oh, come on around, come on around. Step on Yeti. Look at how dang bright them things are. Now, keep in mind, we got ultra bright lights in the shop, and those things light up absolutely incredible. Look at that. Oh my gosh, with the mirrors, with the 24 headlights, LED side markers, and now the S-Series cab lights on top. That is insane. I'm actually curious if it does like a startup sequence of any kind. Thought maybe it would. Let's turn, let me get you guys right here. Try that, and then I'll try the key. All right, looks like it works. What do you guys think? That's awesome. Let's go ahead and tighten down the rest of our hardware though. All right guys, so there you have it. What did you think of that install? That was very, very simple. Again, we had the headliner off, so that made it real easy. That's probably the hardest part. I don't know, because I've never done it. We do have the new headliner that we're gonna put in. I just wanted to get these installed for Ovi to make it a little bit easier on him. So now that the lights are installed, he can just get back to putting the headliner in, and we'll move forward on the interior of this truck. We got a ton of other videos. If this is the first one you happen to click on, again, subscribe, support Boost Auto, all the things that YouTube does. We could not do this with any of you, so we love you guys so much. Give the video a big thumbs up what you want to see different or new in the next one, and we'll see you then. You guys have a great day. We love you. Peace.